How to bypass parental controls on Android without password. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and this video is for educational purpose only. Always get proper permissions before making any changes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First method is simply you need to clear the Google Play Store data. For that, you can head towards settings, scroll down and navigate to the apps, open it, select app management option and you need to search for Google Play Store app. You can tap the search bar and type in Google Play Store and open its app info section where select storage uses and tap on clear cache and tap clear data, and this will delete all your apps data including files and settings. So tap on delete. So this method will easily remove your parental restrictions and you can easily bypass the parental controls on Android without password. So the second way is simply you can factory reset your device. So what you can do is you need to turn off your phone and you need to press and hold the power plus volume up or power plus volume down for some devices, and you can navigate to factory reset using volume keys, then confirm with the power button. This will erase all the data. If you do not get that way, you can easily go to settings and you can easily tap search icon at top of your screen and type in reset. And here you see the list of reset option. So here you got the option of erase all data, select that. And you need to tap on erase all data and then you will successfully bypass the parental controls on Android without password. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.